What's up, radical peeps? Welcome back to another Summary Saturday. Today we're going to cover AUDCAD. I specifically want to show how simple it is. So I'm going to teach you the principles to look for trades very similar to this one, which has two ways it can either go. And I'll explain why that was in the next few minutes. As you can see, all you have to do first is draw a trend line on the screen, which is marked up with an orange line going diagonally. And this uptrend is just an indication of the current market structure. And we are looking for two specific things. We're either going to look for the third bounce on top of the line, or we're going to look for the third bounce below the line. This area does not count as the third touch due to the indecision that we can see happening. We see that there's a lot of dojis, there's a lot of indecision going on there. It consolidated. When the market breaks structure, it usually retests that same area, that same level. And if you're a FestX student, this would be known as the ABCD pattern. As you can see, I marked it up on the screen. So what happens is that when the market breaks the structure, is obviously the low, the first low it's going to make, right? You rejected, went for long, and then as I mentioned again on this key level, and this is how we identify our sell, because we know we're waiting for the new lower high so that it can confirm that it's now a proper break of structure. So if I can draw a trend line, you'll see the market reversed and is now falling down this way, right? Whereas in the past it was just climbing up and up. Pull out the Fibonacci tool. As you see, point A is the start of the Fibonacci, point B has the 0% of the Fibonacci, and you're going to look for any of these levels that you see on the screen. These are the areas you would have looked for the market to come towards, just to touch it, and then you look for candlestick patterns and you would have gone for a short. It could have been off any of these levels, right? So you need to be watching the market at this point in time. If I drop down to a lower time frame quickly, this level here where the candle body stopped, and if we look left, this area over here rejected this line. So we're basically looking for a short off this 50% level. So what you would have done in this instance is really just place a sell limit, but ideally this candle over here at 5 p.m. on Tuesday, we see that the market closed again below that level of the 50%, and this is where we went for the short all the way to the first TP. Backtest this, see for yourself how fruitful it can be and how it really plays out with this ABCD pattern. But make sure that you do identify that it's a break of structure. Sometimes the market can fake it, so make sure that the structure really does go below the current trend, and wait for that retest on that line for you to go either long or short depending on the trend. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more future videos. Be sure to join the Discord. I also have a chat where we post our setups, we post conversations and things regarding Forex. And feel free to just hang out, talk to me about anything you want to know about Forex, or comment down below if you feel like doing that too. But otherwise, enjoy your weekend and see you next time.